What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have an inner screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, the Z Fold 6 comes with a screen protector already from the factory, so just so you keep that in mind. And I know, I'm putting another one on top of the other one. Yes, you can take off this one if you want from the factory. It may or may not void your warranty. Some people say it doesn't. Some people say it does. I'm going to keep it on mine, okay? The reason I got this one is because it's a matte screen protector. So I'm hoping that with this matte screen protector, it won't be as glossy when I'm looking at, content on here, or, I'm kind of watching some YouTube videos, whatever it may be. So I wanted to find a good matte screen protector. And now this comes with 3 for the inside and 3 for the outside. So for the sake of this video, I'm only going to do the inner screen, okay? So let's just keep that in mind. And it comes with so many things here, so many. You have this is for the, I believe this is for the cover screen, so you can line it up so you don't have any issues when you're doing it. You got some tools here. You have a little squeegee. You're gonna need that. There's some instructions here, but you don't need instructions because you got me. And then you got this little action here. And yeah, you pretty much get 3 of these, 3 inners. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn off our device and then get into it. So what I did first is I powered off the device here, and then we're gonna get our installation accessories or tools here, and we're going to wipe down the screen. Get your alcohol pad, wet wipe, whatever you want to call it. And like I said, this already has a screen protector from the factory from Samsung. And yes, we are going to put another one on top. Yes, double protection, right? So I did install one that was different. It was a little glossy, so I want to try this matte one to see how it works. And yeah, because it is a little glossy when you're trying to watch video or something like that at a, when you're out at the park, whatever you may be doing. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe this down, make sure there's no bubbles, make sure there's nothing. You have a little bit of a dust remover sticker. Go ahead and use this. So this should be good. And then you're gonna grab this. You do use this for the inner screen. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in here on the bottom where the USB port is, because that's going to attach the screen protector. We do have a little bit of a there we go. Yeah, just make sure you have like no dust or anything on your screen. And what you're going to do, you're going to pull off the stab. It says number 1 there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, there it is, number 1. You go ahead and pull that off the back. And then you're going to attach it to the guide here. Boom. And then you want to make sure you line up your camera so everything is even. You're going to take your little squeegee here, squeegee some of this down. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick up this part here, number 2 over here. And you're going to use your little squeegee. And you're going to try that again. You want to get the part that lifts up. squeeze it out. Sometimes it'll get caught on the fold there, and then you're gonna go ahead and pull out the guide here. So we have to lift this up. We're gonna do the other side of the equation. It takes a little bit of patience because you gotta make sure it doesn't get caught on your phone, but it should all kind of even out. There you go. And then what you want to do is you want to carefully pull off this part, because you want to peel it off slowly so it's pulling off the top and not both of them, because I made the mistake of taking both off. And there you go. You know what you want to do is you just kind of want to get your squeegee here. You got a little one here if you want to use it. And get out all your bubbles the best you can. And the bubbles will come out more the next day or two, so don't get discouraged if you see like a lot of bubbles, because remember, this is a matte screen protector, so the bubbles are going to show up more than if they weren't a screen protector, you know, a matte one. But you can kind of work them out like I'm doing it here, and you should be good to go. Just work them out. Work them out. All right, so I think I did a pretty good job getting all the bubbles out. Now you can see it is matte, so it's not as pretty as a what do you call it? A clear protector. So, but the bubbles do seem like they've come out, and most of them will go away over the next day or two. So just keep that in mind when you guys are checking out your device later. And the good thing about this is that when you're outside now and you're watching stuff, the matte screen protector is going to be a lot better. Yeah, because you're not going to have that glossy feel to it. So now when you're watching, you know, let's say you're watching ESPN, you're not really going to have that gloss anymore from the inside. I don't know how crazy I am about how the screen looks. It's not glossy anymore, that's for sure. But it looks very like, I don't know. There's some marks in here that I'm not crazy about. So I'm hoping these come out. Yeah, so it's a little getting used to the matte screen protector. It is a little different, I will say that. I'm not used to this type of screen protector, but I think it is going to be better in the sunlight than the other ones. As far as closing the device, it's perfect, nothing issue there. So I'm going to try this for a little bit and see how it looks, see how I like it. But it is different. That is a hell of a steak, by the way. Is that a steak? Yeah. What's the best way to cook a steak? These butchers have strong opinions. Okay, you guys are gonna be all right. But it does feel nice. The one thing I do want to try is the S Pen to make sure everything is working with that. So we'll go ahead and go into our notes. And let's see. Ooh, it actually writes better than the actual screen protector that comes from Samsung. Yeah, wow, this writes really good. I'm just not crazy about how it looks, but I do like the way it writes. And the bubbles, they say, will come out eventually in about 24 hours or so. So yeah, Android stud. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, this is good. It writes really, really good. So it's got that going for it. And I do like the way it does have not that much glare. Yeah, I like it. All right, that's gonna do it. I made a mess installing it. I did have to do 2 screen protectors. The first one I pulled off is too fast. So you live and you learn, right? That's gonna do it. I'm gonna get out of here. That's Android stud, and that is the matte screen protector. And remember, they have this matte for the cover screen if you're into that. But I think I'm gonna keep the cover screen regular because I don't need that. I like it to be regular. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android stud. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.